So why nobody told me that I could have been making money like this? Hey, we're talking all things digital products, so stay tuned.
Yeah. Can I?
Hey guys, so welcome back to the channel. So glad to have you guys back here. Today we're going to jump right into the video because today we are talking all about digital products, and I know you guys have been seeing the girls go crazy on Instagram and TikTok and YouTube talking about how much money they're making from their cell phone. So first things first is we have to know what a digital product is, because I feel like if you don't know what that is, then the rest of the video is just pointless. So pretty much a digital product is kind of the opposite of a physical product. It's not an actual tangible item. It's all digitized. So it's your ebooks, it's your vendors list, it's your electronic planners, it's your e-courses, anything that pretty much can be done here on your cell phone or on a computer, then it can be considered as a digital product. So with that being said, there is so many different things and so many different ways you can go with digital products, which is one of the reasons why I absolutely love this concept of digital marketing. And this is how the girls are making money, because you can offer something completely different than the next girl. Now I know everybody's kind of selling similar courses, you probably have seen them, but there's so many different ways in which you can make money with digital marketing. It is so crazy, and that is why it's going so viral and it's trending right now, because there's just so much money to be made and there's no cap on it. Now I've been knowing about digital marketing or digital products for some time now, because I used to watch a girl here on YouTube. I think her name was like 𝗟𝗘𝗧𝗦, something like that. But she used to do videos all the time about how digital marketing changed her life and how she was selling digital products and how she was making all this money. And pretty much, again, it pretty much changed her life to bring her to be able to live the lifestyle in which she was living or is living. And so I've heard about digital products, but it never clicked. At that time I was still working a regular job, and that job really had all my focus because it was just so overwhelming. But nevertheless, so I actually have dabbled into digital marketing before the whole like trend and this like excitement about it. I actually made a vendors list. So if you guys don't know, I have a boutique called House of Inspo where I sell women's clothing. I'll put the link down below if you guys want to check it out. But I also wanted to find another way to have some sort of a passive income outside of my boutique. That way I can still generate some more income because, you know, we're trying to all have that 6-7 streams of income. And so I went ahead and created a vendors list, not even really knowing much about digital products, but just wanting to create something else that I can earn some more income. And so I created a vendors list, and you guys, my vendors list is still making sales today. I created this list like last summer, I want to say, and I posted one TikTok video. One TikTok video has made me money, you guys, and I'm gonna share with you guys on the screen now how much I've made off of this. And some of this is also from my digital product, from my new venture of digital products. Like one sale in there that I've done so far with my new ventures of digital products, but the rest of it is all from one video posted on TikTok promoting this item. And not to mention that this item was only $12. So I've done pretty good for only posting one video last summer, and I have not mentioned it. I have not done anything else in regards to promoting that vendors list outside of just posting it in my stand store. So as you can see, digital products is a great way to earn passive income, because you literally are making money while you're out doing whatever it is that you're doing. All these sales that I've generated have just came either from me waking up in the morning, or I'm out traveling, or things like that. They just continue to happen because of one video that I posted. I know I could have made way more money, or still continue to make more money off of this item, but I just feel like vendors lists are kind of, I don't know, I don't feel like people buy vendors lists as much. I mean, I'm still getting sales from it. I think the last sale I got from it, let me check and see. Let's see, I think it was just a couple days ago actually. Let me pull it up and see. Yeah, so my last sale from my digital, from that product was March 14th. That was just a couple days ago, because today is the 20th. Today is the 19th, so I'm still getting sales off of this digital product, which is one of the beauties as to why so many people are falling in love with digital products opposed to having a physical product business. Like I said, I do own a boutique, and it is way harder to construct sales. I have to weigh the items, grab the items, package the items, go to the post office. It's just so much more involved opposed to just setting everything up, taking the time out of my day, like one day, to set everything, all my systems up, all my automated systems up. And again, I'm still making sales, and I don't do anything, you guys. I'm not doing anything. I'm not doing anything, which is why I love digital products. So fast forward, I have seen the girls posting the videos, making thousands of dollars upon thousands, like six figures, thousands of dollars, online posting, doing all these things, living this luxury lifestyle, really having their lives changed over digital products. And to be honest, it's in a short period of time. Like, this is not 2 years. This is like, oh, in 30 days I made this many thousands of dollars, and this 90 days I've made this many thousands of dollars, all because of digital products. Seeing so much and consuming some of that, I was like, okay, I know I have my vendors list, but I want to do more and I want to see more. And that's when I stumbled upon DWA, which is Digital Wealth Academy, because the girls were promoting it, saying they were taking courses and Now $497 to get involved. But the good thing about it is it does come with MRR rights, which if you're not familiar, it is Master Resell Rights, meaning that I now own that product and I can simply sell it. I know there's things out there, oh, it's a scam, oh, this is a pyramid. It's not any of that. I am in the program. There is like a chat group. I absolutely love it. It's very encouraging. I've made a sale, you guys. I'm so happy, and I've only been posting on Instagram, which I think Instagram hates me, but I'm doing pretty good right now. But I've only been posting on my Instagram consistently for probably about a week and a half, and I've already made a sale. So I'm super excited about that. I'm going to put my link down below if you guys want to follow me. It's called the Digital Impact. I made a whole different separate page outside of my personal page, so that way I can just kind of keep things separate, because I don't want to overwhelm my community, my personal brand community, with digital products, because those are kind of like people that know me, so I want to start fresh. But yes, you guys, I have taken the program. It is a very informative program. I'm gonna show you guys some of the things that it covers in there. Actually, let me pull up my phone and I'm gonna share with you guys some of the things that it covers, because it is just that good of a program. It is definitely worth it. I seen a girl on here that I actually bought from her, and now I'm kind of in her like private chat and things like that. She is faith-based, so that's kind of what drew me to her, is because it is faith. She's a very big believer, and that's something that I admire about her, and she posts about it and things like that. And she's made like over $700,000 in like 3-4 months. I kid you not. I'm not lying to you guys, I promise. But let me show you guys. So once you get started, you sign up, they let you in, they give you a link, and pretty much you have access to everything digital products and everything that they're teaching. And so they have a little app that you can go in and get everything. But you guys, I'm going to show you guys on the screen. They cover everything from introduction to digital marketing, building trust with your audience. They show you how to do funnels. So if you want to continue the process of staying in touch with your customer, you want to build funnels, which is also going to allow you to have things done automatically, so you don't have to sit and watch your phone 24/7 to reply to people. They talk about mini chat. If you're not familiar with that, it's just an automated system. Again, if you're on like Instagram and somebody comments a specific word and they want to know more information, mini chat will automatically send them information based upon what you put in the system. So again, this is automated passive income that you don't have to do much work in once you get everything established. They also talk about the pre-launch. We talk about branding. If you want to go faceless, which I know a lot of people are really not a fan of showing their face on Instagram so much, or really not good at capturing content, or whatever the case may be, you can do it faceless, you guys. There's so many people doing it faceless. The lady I was talking about earlier, who I bought it from, her whole page is faceless, and she's made over $700,000 in a matter of days. I'm gonna pull up her Instagram because I want to show you guys. Hold on. So hers is Boss Digital Wealth. She's made, now it's $808,000 in 13 weeks. So however many days 13 weeks is, that's how long it took her to make almost $1 million, $808,000, and her whole page is faceless. So you have no excuse. You can either show your face like I do. I don't mind showing my face because I'm so used to doing like YouTube and things like that, and having my personal page. I don't mind, and I have a ton of content like already banked in my phone, so I don't mind doing it, showing my face, which is what I do on my page. And again, I'm gonna link it down there for you guys. So I just make reel after reel after reel, And that's pretty much one of the concepts of what you want to do, is making sure you're being seen online. You're making reels to capture new audiences, to capture new people. And like I said, I have started my brand new page, which again is linked down below for you guys. My brand new page, I've started it. It's been probably about 2.5 weeks, and I've already gotten a sale from it and gotten leads. So I'm super excited about this journey. Again, the program I took was called DWA, Digital Wealth Academy. You can definitely purchase it down below if you guys are interested, or if you want to know more about it, you can definitely reach out and message me. So you guys, digital marketing is not going anywhere. If anything, it is going to expand and get bigger over the rest of the year and even into 2025, just because it offers so much opportunity. And again, there's no cap on how much money you can make. It's not physical products, so you can't say, oh, I sold out of 10 of these items, I can't sell anymore. No, there's no cap, because everything is digital, and that is where I think the future of everything is going, honestly, is digital. So if you guys have questions, definitely drop them down below. I will be more than happy to answer them, because I know there's just a lot going out there. There's a bunch of people saying things are scam and pyramids, and you guys stop believing everything that you see. Just because you don't believe, just because you haven't seen something happen in a way that it's happened, doesn't mean that it's a scam. Just because you've never seen somebody make 6 figures in a matter of 3 months doesn't mean it's a scam. Now, don't get me wrong, there are scams out there, but that's when it's up to you to do your research. That's what I did. I did much thorough research before I invested into this, because I'm not about to get scammed again. I've been scammed a couple of times, and it's not a good feeling. But nevertheless, do your research. Definitely, like I said, if you guys want to ask me more questions in regards to digital marketing, I will be more than happy to answer them for you. I'll have all my information down below for you guys. I'll probably do a follow-up video, just because I know this was very narrow in the sense of digital marketing. Maybe I'll come back and talk about like faceless marketing or something like that. I don't know, but I'll base it upon whatever questions or emails or DMs you guys send me. And yeah, if you guys are interested, again, all my information is down below if you want to start. I do have some basics into digital marketing. I have the actual course that I took. If you want to get into that course, like I said, it's a very, very good program. You are definitely going to get your money's worth, and it's forever, and they're constantly updating it as well, which is another thing that I really like. They just did like a volume 2, so we all got access to the volume 2, so they're steady upping the content and keeping up with whatever is trending and whatever is going on. So it's a great program. I can't speak any more highly of it, because it's just that great. But again, everything is linked down below for you guys, because I know you guys are going to ask. I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.